I'm good. What's your name?
Lela, let me pause this music. I'm Lela. Yourself?
My name is Bilo.
Oh, nice to meet you.
Can I? Are you into Riz?
Am I what?
Are you into Riz lines, or do you think they cheesy?
If you want to say something, you can.
I mean, okay, let me spit something like you rate it out of 10.
Okay, no problem.
Okay, cool. You know, if Beauty was a crime, you'd be on the most wanted list.
Okay. Okay, I give that an 8.5.
So you dig it.
Yeah, you could.